How's it going? My name is Aaron Capdeboss. I'm a jeweler and gemologist, and I'm the owner of DeBosque Fine Jewelry Manufacturing in Mandeville, Louisiana. I'm a certified gemologist. I'm a certified jeweler, and I'm also certified since 1997 as a jeweler through Jewelers of America. I have been operating DeBosque Fine Jewelry since 2003, and I've been making a living as a jeweler since 1997. So I have seen a lot of jewelry. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Okay, today on Let's Ask the Jeweler. Let's see here. What are some of the most commonly faked gemstones? That's a good question. We get that a lot. We see it a lot. Too often we see gemstones that are not properly represented. The most common, it's really tough to answer that question because there is a fake version of pretty much everything. Emerald, sapphire, all the colors of sapphire, ruby, especially diamond, opal. Oh my gosh, opal. I see so much fake opal. There's hardly any type of gemstone that has not been faked, and very, very well, mind you. And let me talk about something else too. Right now in the world that we live in, the manufacturing technology is incredible. And there are some people that they don't care what happens. They are willing to make anything that they think they can make a buck on. We are seeing fake Rolexes like crazy. The manufacturing technology today allows manufacturers in China to make Rolexes that are incredible. I mean, really incredible. I've seen them. I've held them in my hand. They can fool you. Another one is gold. I see fake gold jewelry and fake gold coins all the time. A lot. Especially gold ingots, like you can buy little, like this is a silver bar or a silver ingot. They'll do the same thing in gold, but inside the piece of gold will be a hunk of tungsten. Tungsten carbide has a very similar density to gold, and it displaces a very similar amount of space. And so you could take a coin that has a sheet of gold on each side that's been pressed around a slug of tungsten carbide, and visually it is gold. And the weight feels right. It looks good. It feels good. If you test it for gold, it's going to test gold. Even those scanners, those XRF gun microwave gold scanners, it'll fool them, because they only test on the surface of the metal. They can't tell what's inside. If you're buying gold coins or ingot, you have to be very, very cautious. Make sure you're buying from a reputable dealer. And we do sell gold for investment purposes. People come to me all the time wanting to buy investment gold. If you're interested in buying investment gold, hit us up. You can hit me up in a message. You can go on our website and you can get our phone number and call us. You can send us an email. We're easy to find, but we have lots of information on this topic, and we do sell investment gold. It's very, very small margin that we make. I mean, when I tell you how much profit we have on this, you're not going to believe me, but the margin is very, very small, but we do sell investment lots of gold. Generally, it's not one coin. Usually it's at least 20 coins or more. But hit us up. If you have any questions, let me know.